Hey everybody, right here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So tonight I want to tell you about Jack Daniel's Tennessee Rye. Everybody is kind of getting into the rye game, and Jack Daniel's no different. Now this is the first Jack Daniel's recipe in 150 years. It's 70% rye, 100% Jack. This combines the distilling of Jack's mellowing process with the rye. Pretty good on its own. Pretty spicy. And I want to show you something that I found that works a lot better. In a Jack Daniel's Rye Old Fashioned, made Ray's way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a glass out of my chiller. Bear with me here. I told you I was going to do something with that gift set that I got from Christmas. The gift set came with 2 Jack Daniel's Rye glasses. Grab a big square ice cube out of our Joey ice cube tray. If you so desire any of these, I'll have links below where you can get them. So we're just going to throw a big chunk of ice in there, and then we're going to put 2 ounces of our Jack Daniel's Tennessee Rye in there. Put that right over the ice ball. Ice cube in this. Put that right over the ice cube. Now, most old fashions use a peel of orange and a cherry in there. I don't like a big fruit salad in my glass when I'm done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it a little bit different. What I'm going to do is, to simulate the cherry taste in there, I'm going to use some Stillhouse cherry moonshine whiskey. This was given to me by my friends Boris and Narata. I've since gone through it. This is a fresh one, but I'm going to put almost an ounce of that in there. Okay, and then to simulate the orange peel in there, what we're going to do is now you can use your orange, I'm using orange Curacao. Now you can use your fine dry Curacao or even Grand Marnier, but I found that just your simple triple sec, because I'm not going to put simple syrup in there, so I want the sweetness. So I'm not going to use simple, so I'm going to use only like a quart of this. And then I'm just going to put a few droplets of Angostura bitters in there, maybe 2 or 3. Okay. Now we're just going to grab a stir and give that a stir. Give that a stir, get it nice and cold. And that's your Jack Daniel's Tennessee Rye Old Fashioned, done Ray's way. So, I hope you would approve of this and like this. But send me a comment, let me know. If you tried the Jack Daniel's Rye, do you like it? Do you like rye at all? Let me know how you think I'm doing. And please, by all means, subscribe. Because I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. Check that out. Let's give that a whirl. Wow, I hit the spot. So check one of these out. Check out the Jack Daniel's Rye, Tennessee Rye. You're kicking back and you think to yourself, man, Ray was right. It's all about the cocktail. Baby. Catch you later, my friends. See ya. What's up with you, dog? Gotta pay attention to me. I won't be ignored.